wonder what happened to NovaCyde's in his shout out Sunday episode too. Let's go to let's let's go see. Oh, oh, look at this. Oh God, look at that sub for sub NovaCyde shout out. You're not even YouTube guidelines tags. Tags. Few ground rules. Yeah. Spam. Misleading metadata. Misleading metadata. Yep. And that's exactly what he's doing. He's freaking manipulating the YouTube algorithm. That's great, you know? That's just 100% pure. How to get get subs, views, NovaCyde 2016, channel fast, shout out Sunday, YouTube subscribers gain fast subscribers, you know. Let's try to get into my social blade. That's yep. Yep, it has the same exact things in there exposed. I mean, he's more scummy for putting in the description too. And he wasn't only scummy for doing these shoutouts, he was scumming for putting those fake tags and everything.